Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions without feeling like you need a PhD in consumer science. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the Heygelo S90 drone, and on the right, the Heygelo drone with a 1080p camera. Buckle up, because this comparison is going to be more intense than a drone race through a fireworks show. First up, let's talk about the all-important price tag. The Heygelo S90 comes in at a wallet-friendly $59. Meanwhile, the Heygelo drone is strutting in with a slightly more premium price of $79. Now, if you're trying to decide between these two, just ask yourself, do you want to save enough for a pizza night? Or are you willing to splurge that extra $20 for, well, maybe a fancier pizza night? Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera, but let's see what that really means. The Heygelo S90 promises beautiful aerial scenery. Perfect if you're an aspiring Instagram influencer or just want to show off to your neighbors. Reviewers note that the Heygelo S90's camera quality is decent, though some found it mediocre. The Heygelo, on the other hand, claims you can inspect your roof or take cool videos while skating. Reviews highlight the Heygolo's camera as high quality, making it a good choice for adventure and photography enthusiasts. Flight time is where things get interesting. Heygelo S90 gives you an impressive 26 minutes with its two modular batteries. That's enough time to fly over your neighborhood, take some selfies, and maybe even deliver a love letter. Reviews praise its battery life and consider it a valuable investment. The Heygelo, however, offers 24 minutes, just shy of Heygelo's time. Reviewers appreciate its easy transport and assembly, but note the shorter flight time. So if you're a stickler for every minute in the sky, Heygelo wins this round by a hair. Or should I say by a propeller? Now, let's talk about the bells and whistles. The Heygelo S90 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Remote, app, voice, gravity. It's got more control options than a TV remote from the 90s. Plus, it does stunts like 360 degrees flips and high-speed rotations. Reviewers love its versatility and ease of use. Meanwhile, the Heygelo drone keeps things simple but effective. It's got remote control, app features, and voice control. But beware, to use some features, you need to disconnect the remote. Reviews mention that while it's user-friendly, the feature limitations can be a bit frustrating. It's like trying to connect to Wi-Fi at your grandparents' house. So close, yet so far. For the newbies out there, ease of use is crucial. The Heygelo S90 is user-friendly with one key start, land, altitude hold, and 3 speeds. Perfect for kids or anyone who's ever crashed a drone into a tree. No judgment here. Reviews highlight its beginner-friendly features and smooth learning curve. The Heygelo drone is also beginner-friendly with fewer steps to fly and no manual pairing required. Reviewers note that even a 7-year-old can operate it easily. If you're the type who skips reading instructions, Heygelo's got your back. And now for some pro tips. Heygelo offers gesture control and VR mode for that first-person flying experience, because who doesn't want to feel like a tiny pilot in their own drone? Reviews appreciate these additional features for added fun. Heygelo, on the other hand, suggests calibrating the gyroscope every time you turn it on or after a crash. It's like giving your drone a little pep talk before it takes off. You got this, buddy. Reviewers recommend it for its durability and ease of use, despite the extra calibration step. Both drones have received positive feedback from users, but they shine in different areas. The Heygelo S90 is praised for its versatility, affordability, and beginner-friendly features, making it a great entry-level drone. On the other hand, the Heturbo drone is appreciated for its high-quality camera, ease of use, and durability, making it suitable for both kids and adults who enjoy adventure and photography. So, there you have it. The Heygelo S90 and the Heturbo drone both offer fantastic features, but it really comes down to what you value more: a few extra minutes of flight, ease of use, or just saving some cash. Whichever you choose, remember, the sky's the limit, literally. Thanks for watching. Buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to fly high with the best products. Also, leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying!